Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change this DINS connector to an XT60. Também que você ficar no vídeo e falar mais que isto é apanha tudo. I'll be showing you guys how to change this connector for this one because all my RC models use XT60s, not this one. So this is a 3-cell lipo, 2200 milliamp with 30C discharge rate, high energy extreme. I just got this in the mail today. This is my very first lipo. First thing I have to do is to change this, then charge it and test it. Okay, so in order to change this, we have to unwrap this here and unsolder the wires and solder them into this one. But very important, we must do one at a time because we want to avoid short circuits. If we do both at the same time, they could touch each other, and with a pack of like this one, it wouldn't be very nice. So let's go and do it. Let's do the positive first. Just get the heat shrink tubing over there. And then, as you can see here, got this one uncovered. Basically, what I'll do right now, solder it to this side. This is the plus. Basically, just unsolder this. Well, doesn't seem to melt the solder very easily. But if it does not melt, okay, this one's out. It was pretty hard, I have to say, but it's done. Right now we will just we have to put heat shrink tubing around it. Almost forgot that. Good thing reminded. So let's just pretend this. Shit must be using 3060 solder, I'm pretty sure. What we're using here is 3060. This is hot. Way too hot. Yeah, but I think we got this one done pretty good. Even though it's way too hot, I think it's done okay. So now we'll just put a heat shrink tubing around it and This is nice and tight, won't go anywhere. Just put the heat shrink tubing around it, like this, and then just give it some heat. Agora desliguei isso, senão estou lixado aqui com o isqueiro. And then just give it some heat and shrink it into place. And there you go. Right now, positive side done. Now let's go for the negative side, okay? Same thing. Open this one. I'll keep this DINS connector just in case, but I do not intend to use these DINS connectors. I don't really like them, to be honest. Okay, so let's just melt this down. Okay, the DINS connector is out, as you can see. Let's put it away. Now, for the negative side on this one, pretty much the same thing. Just breathe in this. Just, oh, almost forgot, heat shrink tubing, very important. And now let's just solder it into place, okay? And I think we're pretty much done. So this is, I'll just make here a small, and now we must be very careful with this side because is hot. I think we're pretty much done. I think this is okay. Nice and strong. Now all we have to do is to put the shrink tubing around it like this. Just apply some heat so that it shrinks properly. We can disconnect this right now, and there you go. We just changed the DINS connector to an XT60. Right now, we're pretty much ready to go. Just all we have to do is to charge this, and then we can test it. That's it for now on changing connectors. So yeah, if you like my channel, please subscribe. I'll be uploading more videos about RC stuff and this kind of things. Also, if you like guitars and drums and music, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See ya.